Today we are working on Excel Lesson 2, the fourth lesson, copying and moving cells using the mouse. So this is what we should have opened up. Step 1 says to select cell A12. A12 is the utilities. The cursor should change to a white pointer with a four-headed arrow at its tip. You see right there where it's talking about. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag the cell down to C13. C13. You see that it moved that over there. Notice as you drag around the worksheet, the cell address of the selected cell is updated and displayed next to the selected cell. So mark that. Now move the contents of the cell to another cell that contains data. Repeat the previous steps to drag cell C13 to A6. So click in cell C13, make sure you have that little arrow, and we're moving to A6. A message box appears. If you accidentally selected the wrong cell, you can cancel this operation. Otherwise, you can proceed with the move. In the message box, click OK. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Next, try moving a group of cells to another location. Select cells C4 to D12. So from C4 to D12, it's all of those. Click and drag these cells down so the upper left corner of the range of cells is in D9. D9. Mark that as answered. Now use the drag and drop method for copying cells. With the cell range D9 to E17 still selected, move the cursor to one of the four edges. Press and hold down Control, then click and hold down the left mouse button and drag the selected range to B7, B7 to C15. Notice the plus symbol next to the arrow while you're holding down Control. You will actually press or release Control at any time while dragging the mouse. This enables you to change your mind between moving and copying back again. Release the mouse button and the Control. And you see here, this is what we should have, and that is what we have on ours. Close the workbook without saving the changes. So let's mark as answered and just click right here. We do not want to save the changes. Submit. Should see 4 green checks. And you can see we're done. Return to Jasper Active, and this completes copying and moving cells using the mouse.